This law planner on Amazon, as you can see here, and I have no idea what it was about. There was like no pictures or anything of the inside, so I just bought it just to see what it was about. This is the one that I showed you guys yesterday, the teacher's planner. So we'll see what this other one is about. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is the front page, second page. So it's undated. It's got here the days of the week, the month. It tells you here what's class schedule, reminders. So it's got about 6 pages like that with the months. And then you've got this here, assignment due dates. It's got the courses that you write down, the assignment due, the due date, and then a little check mark if you've accomplished it. So it's got a couple pages like this, assignment due dates. And then you've got here the project planner, course, project title, due date, project description, to-do, task list, supplies needed, notes, and then how much you've accomplished. So it's got the project status here. Got like 6 pages like that, by the way. And then you've got the study planner. You've got the days of the week on top, date, courses to study, topics, chapters, study plan. You got study hours, the timetable. You got this focus bar at the bottom. So this is pretty much what the rest of this is. Is this going to help me with law school? I don't know. I'll let you know when I use it, how it helps me. But I'm probably going to buy a few other planners just because I don't want to risk it. I have ADHD. I need something that's going to, help me feel organized. I also am a parent, so I need to organize everything in my life. And I just want to have one planner. So subscribe, and then I'll let you know how I got on with all this stuff, okay?